Hey, Joe Proto here with one of the keys to understanding religion. Let's begin with the different versions of the Golden Rule. In Buddhism, hurt not others with that which pains yourself. In Christianity, do unto others as you would have them do unto you. In Hinduism, treat others as you would yourself be treated. In Islam, do unto all men as you would wish to have done unto you. And in Judaism, what you yourself hate, do to no man. The major religions of the world are all divinely inspired, yet man made with the best of intentions. You can have religion with spirituality, or you could have religion without spirituality. So, whether you're a religious person, a spiritual person, or a combination of both, the question is, how do you treat others? It's easy to love people we like and understand. However, the real measure of a spiritual way of life is how you treat everyone else. My hope is that we all take the spiritual approach and treat others with kindness, compassion, and respect, whether you like, understand, or agree with them or not. Remember, we're all God's kids. Enjoy the day.